Okay, let's talk about scooping. What is scooping? Scooping is when we slide up to a note when we're not supposed to. And it's very, very common in new singers and maybe singers that have been singing solo for a long time, because you can do whatever you like when you're a soloist. But in an ensemble, we tend to want to sing pretty well together as a unit and keep our synchronization clean. So that means nice, straight onsets. Scooping can happen at the beginning of a song or within a song, within a phrase itself. And it often happens on words that start with a consonant, such as fr, from, or love, or when. Consonants that allow us to move through them are the other culprits. We want to have those nice and clean and straight into the notes. That's what we're going to look at now. Scooping is really common in new ensemble singers, and it's subconscious. We don't realize that we're doing it. It sounds like this. Let's take the word way, W-A-Y. Instead of singing way, way, if that was the note for the word, we would sing it like this. Way, way. You can hear that slide up. That's why it's called scooping. Other words that it can happen on are when instead of when. The opposite to scooping is a clean onset into the sound, straight into the sound. A really common word for it to happen on is you, like this. You, instead of you. So let's work on that. We're going to put our finger here, and I want you just to blow some air on it as if there was a candle that you're blowing out. So you're just going to do a little puff breath to blow out that candle. And now after the breath, put the oo like this. Ooh. So just the oo, not you, just oo. Ooh. 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 Good. Now shorten the length of time between the puff breath and the oo, like this. Ooh. 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 How'd you go? Okay, now join them together. So it could be a little breathy, but that's okay. It's going to be on the air as it's flowing out like this. Hoo, 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 hoo. Just a little bit of air before it. And now just make that an EU sound. So you, 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 few, 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 and you've got few. Here we go. Few, few, few. And now let's just drop the FH. Feel like there's a little bit of air before it and do you, you, you. If you find yourself going back to the scooping, then just retract a couple of steps and put some air before it. Let me know how you went. There's a couple of spots in Auld Lang Syne that could be spots that we might scoop naturally, and let's work on those. The first one is going into old. Should old, instead of should old. In that case, I'm thinking of the D of should being right up against the old, so that I'm making that one sound. That whole word old is just on that note. Should old acquaintance. Try that. Should old acquaintance. Yeah, instead of scooping up into old. There's another one that I think might occur, and that could be on mind. So let's work on that one too. And never brought to mind. We could do that scoop, so let's get rid of that and sing it straight in. Put the M of mind into the same pitch that you're singing the rest of the word on. Mind, mind, mind. Let's do that again. Mind, mind, mind. And let's sing that whole thing from and never brought to mind. Good job. Let's see how you went. Please let us know in the discussion. This class is from my online course, Better Singing. The goal is to help new members of choirs and ensembles with the main vocal skills they need for group singing so they can gain confidence quickly with their chosen ensemble. The course can be tailored for different groups. Check out my website for more info. See ya!